So what I'm looking for is, when you turn back, do you turn behind it? And the answer is it's getting better. I mean, that's better. That's an awesome position right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's not where you were when we started. You weren't getting the club back. You're getting it back now. This transition's good. Right there is where everything stops. Right in the zone right here, your lower half just seizes up.
Where it matters.
Well, yeah, kind of. I mean, there are guys that don't have a lot of hip turn that play very well. Kenny Perry hit it a mile, and he didn't have a lot of hip turn. But he had a lot of speed with his arms. A lot of your shots are on the heel. Why is that? Well, you see that vertical line I drew on your back end, on your pelvis. What's happening is your pelvis is moving in toward the ball.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to get a heel strike.
Gotcha.
So now
right?
the question is, if you've got tight hips, very tight hips.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the exercises you got to do is what's called a figure four stretch. Put your feet up against a wall and then cross your leg in a forward position, and we got to stretch so that we can get more internal rotation and external rotation. Internal and external rotation is limited in your golf swing. And that's why you don't have a ton of speed in your hips. So, but can we play good golf from here? Yeah, we can. We can, for sure. You got a neutral club face position. I love that at the top. The club's in perfect position. We got to get more turn. Now I want to see what it looks like coming through. What I'd like to do is get that lead leg to post up a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that lead leg can get into extension earlier, and you can get some vertical force. Vertical force gives you power. It translates into club head velocity.
Oh, vertical force off the ground.
Yeah.
Got it.
So.
Or like a shot putter.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it.
Yeah, the vertical force, up force, Newton's third law. For every action, there's a reaction. When you push into the ground, and that's what the greatest players do, they sit down and then they come out of the ground. So your club face is square. You're neutral. But we got to look at how are we going to get you to generate more vertical force? How are we going to get you to generate more arm speed?